Remove unused materials and images in Blender completely. Head to File, click on Cleanup, and then Purge unused data. It should show you the unused materials and images. But be careful before deleting because we could lose unused images that you may have imported or baked in. If you have created fake user using any of the images or materials, they will be retained even after deleting these unused data. To delete them, you will have to head to Cleanup again and choose Manage Unused Data. Here the images with fake user are visible. You can choose them. Hurry on to the fake user. You can click on Close again to remove them. Now those images and materials won't be part of this blend file. If you want to transfer it anywhere or give it to someone,